Well, we just wrapped up a nice webinar with our founder, Charles, and a whole bunch of great people that are doing real well in Save Club. Okay, we do live webinars Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you don't see them live, don't worry about it. I record them and we make them available to all our affiliates. Okay, so if you spend the $60, you're going to have full access to a ton of training. Okay, brand new pictures and brand new videos every single Monday. Okay, every day someone will write me, email me, or inbox me on Facebook and say, I don't have experience. I like Save Club. I'm going to join as a member, but to be an affiliate, I have no idea what the heck to do and how to recruit or tell people about this business. Listen. You're going to get a link, and I'm going to show you some things here in just a second. You're just going to get a link and invite people to it. Okay, you can do it by a business card or on the Craigslist. Maybe you can go on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Video, in my opinion, is the most effective, although all forms I just mentioned work. But if you don't know how to do pictures or make a banner or share something or video, ouch, ooh, I don't want to go on video. I don't like my face or my voice. I get it. Just relax. We have all that for you. The nice thing about the winning team that we have put together is that we understand all the obstacles and the things that are going to make you just nervous and you're probably not going to follow through on. And that's okay, because you know what? 99% of most people that have no experience, or maybe they want to do this, but they want to be more behind the camera, kind of like a director, maybe a movie producer. Not everyone wants to be an actor. Not everyone wants to be a rock star. Maybe you want to be a producer, okay, or set up the events, be a promoter. I want you to be a promoter. I want you to think, okay, I don't have to be in front of the camera, but I want to produce things. And the number one thing I want you to produce is money, okay, because at the end of the day, we're going to trade some time and make some things, upload some things. Maybe you'll start doing a webinar yourself, or just getting a webcam or talking into your cell phone like I'm doing right now. And it takes time. But isn't it nice to know that you're going to save money? I know no matter what, you're going to save money. That's why Save Club is such a runaway success, and it's going to be just a big, massive monster worldwide. We're only 16 days old right now. We're signing up thousands of people a day, and we have hardly any affiliates. You need to be an affiliate. But like myself, for $60. 3 $20 bills, that's it. And you're an affiliate for the next 12 months. All right, you don't have to upgrade or do obstacles and jump through hoops to get these commissions and to keep that affiliate status. Pay the $60 the next 12 months. Let's get real good at inviting people to your link. That's all I do. And then there's videos that take over from there. There's marketing materials for that $60. We have a ton. And the winning team that I'm on, we give you a massive advantage over people just joining other individuals. I believe a team is how you be successful. Because if you run out of ideas at 2 in the morning or 3 in the afternoon, isn't it nice to know you can go to 2 private groups where it's invite only. It's all of us save gooders. We're save clubbing. We're just doing some saving. We want to save the world. Okay. But anyway, we have a nice save club and you relax and save money on things you're already buying. Now, to address the issue that I get definitely every day is the question, when is it going to be in this city in Canada? Are we going to go to the Philippines? I'm in Portugal. What's the latest? Hong Kong, Japan, and the massive little country called China. All right. We will be there. You just got to be patient. Remember, we kicked this off June 16th or June 1st, and today's June 16th. So 16 days. That's all. We just barely popped out of mama, and we're going to be growing. We already have tens of thousands of deals. Now I'm in America, so yes, I'm enjoying the savings quite nicely. Well over $900 my first 50 days. On tires, mattresses, food, things I'm already buying. It's kind of fun. I'm tempted to try to buy something every day to see if I can save, just by saveclub.com or going to my home computer. But the beauty of this business is you're inviting people to look at this opportunity to save money first. That's why so many people are like, I believe in the Save Club. I got the 20 bucks. I'm going to join, but I don't know how to be an affiliate. Now, I got the 60 bucks, but that doesn't mean you're an affiliate, so to speak. It means you're on paper, on your computer screen, you are an affiliate. You're activated to earn money. You have the tools you need, the free training, you have the website, you have support that I can offer you with our winning team, but still you have to do something. So you know what I mean? Like, are you an affiliate if you just pay the 60 and you just kind of sit back and, I'm affiliate. When's all that million? When's those millions of bucks going to be dripping into my pants? Not yet. You got to do something. You got to get up and have fun. Make this fun. This is not heavy lifting. This is not something that's going to bore you to death. You just got to get on your phone or your home computer, maybe you got a laptop, and just post things. And believe me, you'll get better at it, especially when you're new. No experience, just relax. We're going to get you there, okay? Now, I want you to look at joinsaveclub.org. This is the official way to join. Just go ahead, click that link. Go ahead and fill out your contact information. Hit the orange button. You'll see what I mean. Joinsaveclub.org. You're going to get an email from Save Club. Just go ahead, join, get locked in. I'm going to send you a nice email on just showing you everything that I do. And I'm going to invite you to a couple groups where you can get some special training. I want you to join a team, a winning team. We dominate the good old leaderboard, okay? And I want you to get 5 people, 10 people. Let's get you 100 people, but let's just take our time, relax, but don't wait too long. Relax, study, go to YouTube, check out all the scam videos. Is it legit? All right, see all the fake scam videos about what a fake scam Save Club is. But at the end of the day, this is just a nice savings club for 20 bucks a month, 60 bucks to be an affiliate. And then take your time and learn how to be compelling, fun, sexy, captivating, mysterious. Okay? And what I mean by that is your ads or your posts, they have to stick out a little bit. Do you need a crazy tank top like this made by my friend Jeremy? I don't know. He owns jamminon.com. He makes all the shirts for Grateful Dead and everything else. It's Jammin, Jammin, jamminon.com. Check it out, man. He's a good cat. Tell him I sent you. Maybe he'll give you 5 cents off on a shirt. But anyway, relax. Take a deep breath. Ready? Okay. Can I do this? I believe you can. You just have to spend a little time and learn how to do some cool things. All right? We're going to help you out. The pictures, the graphics, the video we give you, I think you're going to like them. And guess what? In our marketing and training, we show you how to upload to TikTok, Instagram, how to create this and how to do that. It's all included. So no one can say, well, I'm kind of old and I'm outdated or I don't know those computer things. That's all for young kids. All right? We've taken out all the excuses. But I think one of the coolest things that we can offer you, that I can offer you, is a lot of content, fresh content every Monday. A lot of pictures, a lot of video, and just go crazy. You don't have to be in front of the camera. Just go crazy and upload. If you have an hour or two to kill, all right, you can watch your Netflix. You can go in the backyard and water the posies, or maybe you got to feed those darn kids, all right? Give them a bowl of water and maybe some Frosted Flakes. But you're like, man, I got to go and upload because you make it fun. And especially when people start signing up as members and affiliates. Then the money, when you start making some, oh man, it's exciting. And then you're going to put more effort into it. I just know it. But I always have to do a disclaimer when I talk about money. I don't know if you're going to make $100 or $1 million or even a penny, but as long as I just post every day, some video, some pictures, all right? I just keep it simple. That's all I do, okay? Now, if you join, look at that left link right there, joinsaveclub.org. That's the official way to join. Just click it. Go ahead, fill out your name, email, hit that orange button. You'll see what I mean. I don't need to show you here. It's easy. Go ahead and join. Just open up that Save Club email. Now, if you're already in Save Club, but you joined under someone that doesn't have a team and doesn't help you, then I want you to look under myself right now, you see right below it says Save Club Funnels with an S. I want you to look into it because I think a funnel system is going to help you. And besides, I can invite you to 2 real badass winning private only, invite only teams. Yes, you will get more pictures. You will get more video than anyone else. Our team is by far the biggest and by far the most successful on planet Earth right now. And Save Club Funnels, $25. You do not have to do it month after month. Just do the $25. And this funnel system just goes in front of the link you're going to get when you join as an affiliate. And all people do is watch a 20-minute video. And I think it does over-explaining of everything. When you watch the funnel, and you're going to have your own funnel, it leads people to join as members and affiliates. There's no way anyone has any questions after you watch the Save Club Funnels page. All right, like I said, it's $25. I recommend highly, especially if you've joined and you're kind of lost and you're not sure what to do next. I need you to just click that link. I want you to do it so bad because I feel that you're going to get lost and stuck. You don't have to rejoin Save Club. You just need to join saveclubfunnels.com. All right, it's just a nice video that goes in front. People click it. They watch the 20-minute video. If they have any questions, you can go ahead and give people maybe your email address, your Facebook contact information. It's up to you. But I recommend highly that you kind of go back and forth with people that want to join or get more information. And I know you'll be nervous. I'm not. I'm not shy. I love it when people ask me questions. I do everything I can to try to solve that question with an answer, or I get a hold of support@saveclub.com, or I make a video about it. But guys, don't be shy. If someone writes you, that's awesome. You're going to meet so many nice people worldwide, not just across the street or maybe down the highway a little bit off exit number 19. All right. You're going to meet people all over the United States and Canada and China and all these Asian areas, even Australia. Okay. Maybe even in Iceland or Greenland. Okay. But this is a worldwide thing. But just be patient. If you're outside of America, we're going to get to you. We're going to get to every country, city, and state with savings. But right now, I got a whole bunch of people all over the place. I got well over 100 people signed up already. And they're just starting to pre-promote. They just say, hey, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and even though I might not have some deals available where I live, I'm going to go ahead and still pay the $60 and start building a nice team where everybody around the world can help each other get signups and just spread the message about Save Club. Because the more people we get in the club, it's going to get cheaper, more affordable. The deals are going to be better. There's power in numbers. All right. We're on target to save up about 1 million people right now. And I have no doubt that we're going to probably have 5 to 10 million. Because if you go to any Save Club, so to speak, they all have 5 to 10 million people. And ours is better. Ours is a worldwide thing, international. And we're an affiliate-based company where you're going to make money by promoting Save Club. Not a celebrity, not the Kardashians, not a sports figure, not an influencer, you. They have a budget set aside where if you start getting signups, you got anywhere from $20 to $32, and you're going to get a portion each month of your group, and it adds up. And when you watch at saveclubfunnels.com, yes, you're going to learn about the pay plan too. So just relax. I keep saying that because people get all, oh, I don't know what to do, and I'm just going to join and quit. No, you're not. Not if you join my group. All right, I'm going to email you every week if I have to, or every day and say, have you at least tried to upload pictures and the free videos? Have you watched the videos, how we show you how to do everything? Okay, and if you have, and summer gets in the way, I get it. Right now it's June, going into July here in America. There's a lot of fun stuff going on outside. I get it, but if you get distracted for a month or two, guess what? The savings are still there. We're going to sign up people with or without you or me. But I highly suggest that you join now because we're only 16 days old. When we're 1 year and 16, 2 years, 3 years and 16 days old, okay, we're going to have millions of people signed up, and then you're going to have competition from all over the world. But right now, we hardly have any affiliates, and we're signing up thousands of people. You need to join now. So just look into it. Take your time, but not too long. Okay, look on the left side of your screen, joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead and just lock into Save Club. And remember, saveclubfunnels.com. That will also lead you to sign up in Save Club. But if you've already signed up and you're stuck, don't worry about it. I need you to join our winning team. We have 2, not just 1. So saveclubfunnels.com, $25. Give it a shot. I think it's going to help you out, okay? All right, that's it. Looks like my 15-minute little webinar myself is done. You can email me, guys, anytime. Even if you've signed up under someone else, don't worry about it. I always make time for anybody that's interested in Save Club. I think this is a great idea. It's a great opportunity. I like the ownership, and I think you will too. You just got to join. So you got $19.97 plus 60. Okay, so for about $79.97, you can climb aboard. And then from there, let's just get you going. Okay, we have a lot of cool stuff for you. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for sure. All right, we'll see you next video. Bye.